Okay, so I'm now going to take you through some system management and maintenance procedures. Firstly, we've just created our engineering config and user config. So now I'd like to back these up so I can keep with me. To do this, firstly, I'm going to insert this FAT32 formatted USB stick into the rear of the mainframe. You could also install this USB into the USB port on the GUI if you wish. Okay, so I have my USB in the rear of the mainframe. Now to do my export, I need to be in the filing system. This is where I handle my files. Import, export. Now I'm going to be exporting, so I need to be in this menu. I'm going to start off with my engineering config. So I simply push eng config. Now I know we created project 3 for our Kula training. So I simply go to project 3, eng setup, select that engineering config. You may have 10, 11, 20, 100 in there if you have that many in there. And all you need to do is push next. Now I can see I'll be able to see any device that's connected to the Kula's mainframe. So I know that's my one, so I simply press select device. And then if I want to, it's like a filing system. I could create a new folder and name it, but if I just press start, the Kula will give you a projects folder automatically. So I've done the engineering config. Now I'd like to do the user config. I could go back up. I want to go back to filing system, import, export, export, then user config. Again, we created project 3 and we have one user config in there. Again, I'm going to press next, select my device, and you see from previously it created a projects folder for me. So if I press start now, it will put that user config in the projects folder. So now I have my important config files safely on my stick. In the likely event that you are experiencing some problems with your Kula, then a handy way for us to diagnose any problems is if you could send us a set of status logs. So now I'm going to show you how to export those status logs. So I have my USB stick in the rear of the mainframe. All I need to do is go to filing system, import, export. Again, I'm exporting and you'll see status logs. I have already selected my device, it's the only one there, but if you had multiple devices, select which one you want and simply press export. And it will export a full set of logs there. You can then zip the folder the Kula's created and then email to us. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a full system upgrade. So I have my Kula software on my USB stick and it's plugged into the USB 3 sockets on the rear of the mainframe. So to do a full system upgrade, I need to be logged out of the switcher. So the easiest way is to keep pressing up till you're in the main menu, go to the defaults and simply log off from mainframe. Now, to do the full GUI panel and mainframe, I need to be in the mainframe config upgrade menu, because in here it says upgrade mainframe and panel. All I need to do is select device. The filing system here, I know my software folder is called Kula. So I simply press that, press get info. It will then pull off the info text file so it can show you what features have been added. And then all I do is simply press start upgrade. Okay, so the complete system upgrade should only take between 3 and 4 minutes. When it's done, it will ask you to please reboot. Simply press reboot, panel and mainframe, OK, and now you will see the system reboot. Okay, so now the system has come back to a fully updated system. You can check it's on the right level, either the panel config, check that's correct in the version there, or like earlier in the mainframe there.